Park on a level surface and turn off the ignition. The cabin air filter is located behind the passenger side glove box. Open the glove box and empty its contents. Gently release the side clips holding the glove box. You may need a trim tool or flathead screwdriver, but often you can just pull them. Once the clips are released, the glove box should lower, revealing the filter housing behind it. Remove the filter cover, which is typically held by snaps or a screw. Pull out the old filter, noting the direction of airflow indicated by the arrows on the filter. This is important for installing the new filter correctly. With the old filter removed, insert the new cabin air filter, making sure the airflow arrows on the filter match the direction you noted earlier, usually from bottom to top. Secure the filter cover back in place, ensuring it's properly snapped or screwed in. Now, reassemble the glove box by pushing it back into position and securing the side clips until they click. Ensure the clips are fully engaged to prevent rattles. Double-check that everything is secure before closing the glove box. Cabin air filters should be changed every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or annually to maintain good air quality and HVAC performance.